Hi, I'm Victoria Knight, the Library Resource Strategist, and welcome to the tutorial for Faculty Select. This is a new and exciting resource provided by the Maryville University Library, where you can access ebooks to serve as additional and supplemental materials for your course. All the ebooks in Faculty Select have unlimited user licenses, which means they can be viewed simultaneously by anyone and anywhere. The video that follows will give the ins and outs of using Faculty Select, but remember, if you have any questions, please contact your library facilitator or email reference@maryville.edu. This is the homepage for Faculty Select. You will access this page through a link that will be provided by the library. You can also bookmark this page for easy access in the future. I'm going to press Continue to Faculty Select, and that will bring me directly to my search page. From here, I can search by keyword, title, or author. So once you press search, you will be brought to the results page. From here, we can see titles of ebooks, and then underneath of the information about the ebook, we can see options to preview this ebook and also request a purchase of this item, since it is not an item that the Maryville University Library currently owns. If we click Preview this ebook, we will be brought to a page where we can access the entire ebook online to preview the text before purchasing. We can flip through the pages with the arrows at the bottom, or we can use the column to the left to browse by chapter. These pages cannot be downloaded or shared, but it does give you the preview option to make sure it's a text that will work for your course before requesting for purchase. If this is an ebook you would like to request, you can go back to the results list and then fill out the request a purchase of this item form. It will open up in a new tab, and you will be prompted to fill out the information below. This form gets sent to the Library Operations Manager, and they will share it with your library facilitator. From there, they will evaluate your request in regard to collection and budget. If this is a purchase that we decide to move forward with, you will be notified directly. If we go back to the results list, we can limit to ebooks that the Maryville University Library currently owns. Under Refine Results on the left side of the page, under Limit To, we can click OER and Owned Ebooks Only. So this is going to search all open educational resources, which are free to everyone, including the library, and owned ebooks, which are ebooks the library has previously purchased for student and faculty use. So now we can see our results. Instead of a preview and request option, we have a preview or a sign option. So if you find an ebook that you're interested in using that we already own, all you have to do is click Preview or Assign, and it will open up in a new tab again, and you'll be brought to this page, which will give you an option to preview the PDF of this ebook, which will bring you to the ebook we already own, or the option to use this ebook in a class by receiving a course-friendly link. If you try and use the URL at the top of the browser on any page, it will not work again. So to make sure that you have a copy of a link that will work, you'll need to receive a course-friendly link. This will prompt you to fill out a form that looks very similar to the request to purchase form. This is just so that we have the information we need to make sure that we can keep track of all the books that are being used currently in courses. That way, if there's ever an issue or a problem, we can reference the book very quickly. Once you fill out this form and press submit, the link will pop up automatically, and you can copy and paste that directly into any online class or assignment. If we look back at the Refine Results column on the left, we can also limit by publication date. We can look at different subjects or even limit by publisher. If you have any questions about Faculty Select or about using library resources in your class, please contact your library facilitator, or you can always email reference@maryville.edu.